Hello guys, we will basically use a package which is a HTTP client in Node.js to actually download images and GIF files and using streaming. So this package is called as GOT. GOT basically it's a very popular HTTP client which allows you to basically make GET request, POST request, PUT, delete request. It's a great alternative to Fetch API and Axios, these sort of HTTP clients. So the version number we will be using is 11.8.3. So this is the last version where you can use CommonJS. After these versions, you need to use the import statement. So we will use this version, which is 11.8.3. So you just need to install this package npm i got @ 11.8.3. So this is the actual command you need to write here to actually install this package, the individual version number. So once it's installed, you will actually need to, let me first of all show you the power of this. We will actually download this GIF file inside our machine. So first of all, what we need to do is that we need to require this package. We can require this package using the required statement got, and then we will have a method which is create write stream. So this method will be coming from the core package of file system in Node.js. You need not have to install this package. And then we will actually have the URL. So this you can copy. Basically, this can be anything, either PDF file, GIF file, image file. So here we are downloading a GIF file here, and this is the actual thing. So it contains a method of stream, and here you will actually pass your URL, and then it will convert this into a download it, and here we will use this stream. Here we will write this stream, use this function, just chain it, and here you will say bunny.gif. You can name this anything. So if you do this, basically if I run this now, so your file will be created. You can see that. So the GIF file has been downloaded successfully inside your machine. So these 4 lines of code is necessary, guys. You just provide the URL, and then this is the actual line of code which is doing all of things at once. First of all, it is converting a stream by providing a URL here to this, and then it is piping it and downloading it. It simply means it downloads it from the URL, and then it's create a stream with the name called as bunny.gif. So this is actual file which it downloads. Now we will have the second example where it will actually download a file from the internet. So again, we will use these 2 packages, which is the file system and the path module. So here we will actually define a function. This will be an async function, and it will hold the URL and the destination, and it will have basically a try catch block. So inside this, basically we just need to make a GET request to the URL, await got.stream once again, and here we will provide the URL. So now we just need to create a write stream, and for doing that we will actually say file stream, and for that we will actually use our file system module, file system.create write stream. So this will actually create a stream for us, and here we will provide the destination, so the address where we will actually save this file. So these 2 things we will pass to this function right here. After it creates it, we will actually create our response. This is our response which is there, and we will pipe it to the destination, to the file stream which we have created like this. So these 2 things are important because here we created our file stream, we created a variable, and here we are piping it. So we are basically, after downloading it, we are actually transferring the information to this variable. So now we need to create a promise. Just return a new promise from a function. So return new promise, and here Either the promise can resolve or reject. In either of these two cases, we will write file stream. So this basically is a stream object. So when it's completed, so various events are there. Either the stream can close, drain, error, finish, open, pipe, ready, unpipe. So one such event is the close event, I think, or finishes. So once our this finishes, then we can simply say your image file has been successfully downloaded. So we can close the stream. There is a close method right here in order to close this, and then we can resolve the promise. And then also one such event is also there if any sort of error take place in downloading. So there is a error event. So in such event, guys, we can basically reject the promise and pass the error. That's all. So this error will take place inside this callback function. So here, if any sort of error take place, we can throw a error in the catch block, error downloading image. So now we just need to call this. So for creating, we just need two variables, image URL and the destination. So destination will be the path.join. The current directory, we just need to save it. So we can call this as image.jpg. And now we can call this, we can pass the image URL and the destination. So image URL, you can basically go to any URL from the internet. Let's suppose I go to this, and let's suppose this image I am downloading. So copy image address and paste it right here. So this image will be downloading, and this basically returns a promise. So we need to now handle this by .then, and here we can say image downloaded. If any sort of error take place, we can basically catch that error. Like this. So that's completed, guys. This is actual code right here. It will create a stream, it will pipe it, and then it will return the promise. When it finishes, it will download the file and resolve the promise. So here we are actually resolving the promise by .then and .catch. So now if I run this application, you will see in the left hand side image downloaded. You will see this message printing out, and this is an image file which is successful downloading right here. You will see that. So in this way, guys, you can actually use this package. I think this is the package that we used, got. You can go to npmjs.com and search for this package. Almost 19 million weekly downloads are there. It's a very popular HTTP client in Node.js to actually download images and stream GIF files as well. So check out this package. Thank you very much for watching this video.